but we were discussing that is the pollution of air and water, in which we had discussed the air pollution as well as the water pollution. Today we will discuss the last topic of this chapter, that is the Ganga Action Plan we will discuss. But before that, all of you know that the Ganga is the most famous river in India, है ना? Like अगर rituals के हिसाब से देखें या वैसे देखें तो we consider as a Ganga as a very like famous river in India, है ना? So but now these days all of you are aware that the Ganga is the most populated river as well also. ठीक है, गंगा जो है वो populated मतलब polluted river कह सकते हैं. Polluted river is there because of due to the increase in population, agriculture, all this. When they are throwing the garbage and the sewage into the river, it gets polluted. Now what happened, like as we are doing all these things, so initiation taken by some of the ministers, you can say some of the people, they tried to clean this Ganga. ठीक है, so that comes under the plan. ठीक है, that is called the GAP. In 1985 they had started to the mission of that GAP is to clean the Ganga. ठीक है, but still now these days again we are not able to clean that Ganga in a very proper way. But all of you are very much familiar that one, like in the lockdown period the Ganga was very clean at that time. That was the reason. That means being like a human being, what we are doing, we create a pollution, okay, in this or that way, in the air pollution, water pollution, sewage, domestic, agriculture, number of the things that causes the pollution. So today we will discuss about the GAP, but before that just write down कि Ganga is the most famous river, but WWF, that is what? WWF, that is worldwide for nature. Worldwide for nature. World they said World Wild for Nature, that means the WWF, they told that the Ganga जो है, that is the most endangered, like that pollution wise if we will consider, तो ये पहली 10 वाली rivers में आती है जो कि polluted river है. 10 endangered rivers में Ganga is also there. ठीक है, जो सबसे ज्यादा हमारे लिए प्रॉब्लम चल रही है, 10 endangered river में से गंगा भी पहली 10 रिवर्स में आती है वर्ल्ड में से, जो कि बहुत ज्यादा पोल्यूटेड है. ठीक है, तो WWF ने इस चीज के लिए एक इनिशिएशन लिया इसको क्लीन करने के लिए. ठीक है, उसके बाद है यहाँ पे व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट कॉजेस. अगर हम बात करें तो कॉजेस क्या हैं, व्हाट आर द कॉजेस टू पोल्यूट द गंगा रिवर, क्या कॉजेस हैं? ऑल दैट वी हैड डिस्कस्ड इन द वाटर पोल्यूशन. व्हाट आर द कॉजेस? Sewage, domestic sewage, industrial waste, throwing in it without treating, agricultural waste, disposing of the idols of the god and the goddesses, right? Then throwing the dead bodies into it, washing clothes, utensils, bathing, all these processes, this will cause the pollution. As well as we can say the Ganga river polluted, right? So after this, जब ये इतना इसमें pollution cause हो रहा है, तो देयर वहां पे अब now government has to take some initiation. गवर्नमेंट ने इसको क्लीन करने के लिए एक इनिशिएशन, एक स्टेप उठाया, that is called GAP. The step is GAP in 1985. That is called Ganga Action Plan. That is called Ganga Action Plan, that is GAP. They took the initiation to clean the Ganga in 1985. That is called the GAP. But again, it's wasted because increasing population, increasing demand of the houses. Like when the population increase, that means the food we require more. We require more food. We require more things, you can say. तो demand of the जो according to increasing population, when the population increasing, demand of everything will increase, whether it's food, clothes, whatever, it also increases. अगर population increase हो रही है तो it automatically increases the demand. ठीक है, due to that demand, like that we have to make all these things. So again the sewage will be more, and when this sewage will enter into the Ganga river, so that causes again a main problem. Again threat was there. यहाँ पे कानपुर में इन उत्तर प्रदेश दिस रिवर की एक वो साइड से जाती है, तो गंगा रिवर इज कॉल्ड द डेड रिवर ओवर देयर एट कानपुर इन उत्तर प्रदेश ना. कानपुर में उत्तर प्रदेश में दिस गंगा रिवर इज कॉल्ड द डेड रिवर. इसको डेड रिवर बोला जाता है वहां पे, क्योंकि इतना पोल्यूशन है. द पिक इज गिवन इन योर बुक ऑल्सो. डेड रिवर के नाम से बोला जाता है बिकॉज इतना गार्बेज, इतना बीच में लॉकडाउन पीरियड में ना, आई टोल्ड अगेन नाउ अगेन वी आर गोइंग and again still like due to the human activities and the pollution again it started. After this GAP in 1985 again they thought it's not doing well, so after that this project will comes under the NMCG, that is National Mission for Clean Ganga. It was launched in 2016. It was launched in 2016. After increasing like GAP, that is Ganga Action Plan के बाद भी ये नहीं क्योर हुआ, then NMCG in 2016, that is National Mission for Clean Ganga. National Mission for Clean Ganga. It was launched. National Mission for Clean Ganga was launched. Government ने इसके बाद एक और मिशन चलाया to clean Ganga, that is the NMCJ, that is National Mission for Clean Ganga. ठीक है जी, right? This is what about in the last topic. Is it clear? Any doubt regarding here? Apni NCERT you will read, all of you will read your NCERT, right? Now we will discuss the question answers of this chapter. Wait a while. Yes, you can see. Yes. Now we will come discuss the question answer. What are the different ways in which water gets contaminated? What are the different ways? We already discussed. Yes, Jayant, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, causes of water pollution are industrial waste, the discharge of untreated industrial waste directly into water bodies, domestic sewage waste from kitchen and toilets, human activities, bathing of human and animals, washing clothes, oil spills from huge tanks, agriculture waste, pesticides, fertilizers.
Yes, agriculture waste, industrial waste, domestic sewage, एंड चौथा पॉइंट क्या करा है, ऑयल स्पिल्स, ठीक है, ऑल दीज विल कॉजेज द वाटर गेट कंटेमिनेटेड, राइट. एट एन इंडिविजुअल लेवल हाउ कैन यू हेल्प reduce air pollution? Yes, Gurnoor. Gurnoor. Unmute yourself, Gurnoor.
Ma'am, use of bicycles more than fuel-based vehicles. Second, public transport can be used more than the private vehicles for community.
Yes.
Number three, planting of saplings will provide a pollution-free air in near future. Avoid burning leaves, trash, and other materials.
Other material. These all points we will write down under this question, that how we can reduce the air pollution. Pool system is there. No to the crackers. Say no to crackers. Burning of leaves should be avoided. All these points will consider under this question. Then the third question, clean water, transparent water is always fit for drinking. Comment. Yes, Pulkit, unmute yourself. बोलो बानी.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में पूछना था मैम, कौन सा मैम आपने कहा प्लांट सैपलिंग्स, मैम उसकी जगह हम ये लिख सकते हैं रिड्यूस डिफॉरेस्टेशन एंड इंक्रीज अफॉरेस्टेशन.
हाँ, we can grow more trees. We can write. हाँ जी बानी. दोबारा बोलो. No, clean transparent water is not always fit for drinking, because जो आपको clean नजर आ रहा है, it has some soluble impurities in it. ठीक है, the always the clean water जो आपको visible हो रहा है, the always the transparent or the clean water is not fit for drinking, because some of the impurities are dissolved in it, and that is harmful for our health, right? Then the fourth is, you are a member of the municipal body of your town. Make a list of measures that would help your town to ensure the supply of clean water to all its residents. क्या करोगे अगर आप municipal committee के member हो तो? What you will do? हाँ जी? Advise people, campaign लगाएंगे, aware करेंगे बच्चों को कि avoid to throw the garbage in the water. पहला तो हम ये भी करेंगे. But being a MCB, like member of the municipal corporation, we will check the measures that the water should be treated before supplying to the homes, before supplying to the resident. Like घरों में जाने से पहले it should be treated properly. It should be treated under the WWTP, that is the wastewater treatment plant. It should be purified before it is given to the families or the homes. That is not possible na. If we will check these kind of the measures, so it's not possible कि we can check it on. Okay, we have to supply, like we have to take care that the peoples, they will not waste the water. Okay, as the previous earlier it was there in the rules में आया था कि those who will misuse the water, then the punishment will be there or the fine will be there. That means the municipal corporation has to see all these aspects to supply the water, that the minimum use of the water and in a very proper way. Okay, clean the water before supplying it to the homes. Next question, explain the difference between pure air and polluted air. What is pure air and polluted air? But we will write down under this. Pure air is not having any contaminants. Polluted air is having a contaminant. SPM particles are not present in the pure water. SPM, that is suspended particulate matter, are present in the polluted air. और क्या लिख सकते हैं? Mixture of. Yes, Prabal, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Prabal.
Yes, ma'am.
The composition of pure air contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 0.03% carbon dioxide. Besides these, there are some other gases like methane, argon, ozone, and water vapors. The air is said to be polluted when the composition of air is altered by the addition of harmful substances or gases such as sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and
That is, we can write.
particulate matter.
Gurnoor, unmute yourself. Gurnoor, unmute yourself, bete.
मैम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर देने के लिए किया था.
Okay. ठीक है, polluted air that is having the number of the impurities, harmful impurities are present in it. SPM particles are present in the pure water. No SPM particles, no pollutants are present. That is having a more content of oxygen, and polluted air is having a more content of the carbon dioxide and the harmful gases, right? Explain circumstances leading to acid rain and how acid rain affect us. Yes, Gurnoor.
Ma'am, acid rain is caused by a chemical reaction that begins when compounds like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide are released into the air. In addition, the exhaust from cars, trucks, and buses releases nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide into the air. These pollutants cause acid rain.
We can write down keep burning, as we had discussed in the class also, that the burning of the fossil fuels increases the concentration of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, exhaust from the chimneys and the automobiles. They releases the sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, like oxides of nitrogen. When they mixes with the water that is present in the air, they will form the carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. And when the rain occurs, it mixes with the rainwater and fall on the earth. So that causes the acid rain. How does acid rain affect us? हमें affect कैसे करते हैं? It affects monuments, buildings, affects the bridges or the iron objects, on human health, agriculture, or aquatic life. ठीक है? They will harm in a different ways. Next is which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, methane, and nitrogen. Which one is not a greenhouse effect gas? Yes, Gurnoor, do you know the answer?
Ma'am, sulfur dioxide.
That is so present. Yes, Prabal, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, nitrogen.
Nitrogen is not a greenhouse effect gas. Describe the greenhouse effect in your own words. Who will explain this answer? Greenhouse effect in your own words. What is greenhouse effect? Yes, Pulkit, unmute yourself.
The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface when the sun light reaches the Earth's atmosphere. Some of it reflected back to the space and the rest is absorbed by the greenhouse.
Matlab this, when these rays comes to the earth, so greenhouse gases, they absorb all these gases, okay, absorbed by the earth and release back into the atmosphere, which keeps the atmosphere warm. Due to this warmth, we are able to survive on this planet, that is Earth, right? We will write down or explain all these points as we discussed. Now the next is prepare a brief speech on the global warming. That all of you will prepare and I will ask you on Monday. Right, next question we will discuss. Describe the threat to the beauty of the Taj Mahal. Who will explain? Describe the threat. किससे खतरा है? Threat means खतरा to the Taj Mahal. Acid rain is the main threat. Acid rain is the main threat. You will explain the acid rain again in this question. कि how acid rain affect the Taj Mahal, beauty of the Taj Mahal. It corroded the marble ठीक है, when the acid rain occurred due to the presence of the harmful gases in air, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, उसको बार बार करवाना पड़ता है, all the time आपको उसको करवाना पड़ता है renovation. Because अगर if we will talk about, again the question is again, all of you had seen there कि when the lockdown period was there, at that time most of the things like the sky is like clean, appears to be cleaner as compared to the daily routine, because no pollution is there, no human activities are there, then everything will be clean. But when we are using, that is due to the increase in the population. As the population increases, so then demand is also increased. When the demand increase, so we will use a different, like vehicles, we will use number of the vehicles. ठीक है, आप factories naturally for production, the requirement, like our requirement is increasing, so production will be increased. These will increase the pollution level. Naturally, we have to control on all these factors. Population is the major cause for all these things. Population is the major cause for the pollution. Population is the major cause for number of the factors, because due to the increase in population, everything will be increased. When everything increase, it causes the pollution, because the demand increase. For the demand increase, then the factories increase. ठीक है, जो मेन आपके पास लैंड है या फॉरेस्ट है, यू आर कटिंग डाउन द फॉरेस्ट फॉर द रेजिडेंशियल पर्पसेस. ठीक है, आपके पास ग्रीनरी खत्म हो गई, ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई खत्म हो गई. ठीक है, तो व्हाट विल हैपन, मोर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड विल बी देयर. मतलब ऑल ओवर घूम फिर के हम उसी पॉइंट पे आते हैं कि ड्यू टू द डिमांड एवरीथिंग इंक्रीज, एंड ड्यू टू द डिमांड द पोल्यूशन इज इंक्रीजेस. एंड हाउ द थ्रेट, व्हाट इज द मेन थ्रेट टू द ब्यूटी ऑफ द ताज महल? The main threat to the beauty of the Taj Mahal is the acid rain. Acid rain occur in the, like when the burning of fossil fuels and the exhaust, they causes the harmful gases, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, number of gases released in the air, it mix. तो जो polluted areas है वहां पे most probably the acid rain occur. We are not aware because we are not having the instruments, but as the you can say the departments are there, तो जो इनके departments हैं, meteorologist, meteorological departments, they keep check on all these things. Naturally, but उतना नहीं. ठीक है. Next is, why does the increased level of nutrients in the water affect the survival of aquatic organism?
Ma'am, can I give this answer?
दो जी, दे दो.
Ma'am, because there is an increase in the algae formation, which when the aquatic animals dies to the form as food for the decomposers, and it takes a lot of oxygen from the water, hence decreasing the dissolved oxygen in water.
Means क्या कह रहे हैं, increase level of nutrients in water affect, means when increase level of nutrients increase हो जाएंगे तो definitely अगर algae मतलब अगर algae जो है, if the algae will die, algae जो है एक eutrophication करती है, एक layer बनाती है, but when algae will die तो definitely decomposers act on it. Decomposers act on it. When decomposers act on it, they will use the dissolved oxygen also. So due to that one, again the aquatic life will be disturbed. They will not get the sufficient oxygen because the now the पहले क्या था, algae थी, algal bloom था, algal bloom के बाद क्या गया, decomposers act on it. So again the loss is to the aquatic life. ठीक है बच्चे जी. बस एक हम वाटर उसमें लिख सकते हैं म्यूनिसिपल वाले में कि the pipes should also be checked, because when the mixing of the pipes, the dirty water with the clean water, then it will also again the harmful. They have to keep check on the pipes also, because during the floods and during the other activities the pipes sometimes burst या टूट जाती हैं, so they have to keep check on all these things. हाँ जी, ठीक है, वो रहने देना, क्या था, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. ठीक है, that is the question, like you have to prepare a speech and I will ask you. Okay.